This is the second installment of my 2023 lineup. Right now I'm holding my Pavo 25, and the Pavo 25 for me is my everyday drone that I would like to get, for instance, cinematic video, or I would like to just film my mother-in-law's garden, for instance. It's a really easy drone to fly. I don't currently have GPS on the system because I'm not really flying it outside, so I don't really need that. But there are other drones like the DJI Whoops that can have GPS capabilities, so the options are out there. As far as flight time, I'm not sure. I haven't flown it for the longest amount of time, but I would say that the most amount of time, or the longest I've flown it, is about 5 minutes. So that's a good thing, but I'm pretty sure you can get about 6 to 8 minutes from it, and that in the Whoop world is good. But it's always dependent on the flight characteristics. Okay, so guys, I have a few videos of this drone flying around the house. It's not really extravagant, but it is pretty good. I think that the flight controller is extremely smooth. The flight controller is a SpeedyB F7 35 amp flight controller. It's the same flight controller being used on my Omaton tadpole. And at the moment I'm using 4S lipos. So those 4S lipos are outdated, but I believe they are the 650 mAh tattoo lipos. They are the 4S. I use them pretty much on this drone, pretty much exclusively for the Pavo 25. So they're pretty old. I don't know if they've changed the type of batteries that are being used out there, but these are the batteries that I'm using. I hope you guys enjoy the flight. I have a bit of a flight video, but it's not really extravagant, so please enjoy.